and welcome to Craft Time at the Clarksville-Montgomery County Public Library. I'm Gracie.
I'm Lisa.
And today we're going to be making dragons out of some paper plates. And Lisa already has a stencil made for her dragon, so if you are able to, you can print out a dragon from home. But if you're not able to, I'm going to be drawing. Well, we'll see if it turns out to be a dragon. I'm going to do my best to draw a dragon and also make a cool dragon as well. So she gets the stencil, I will be drawing it out. I'm going to make a smaller dragon as well. So I'm going to let Lisa start doing her thing and telling you about what she's doing, and I will start tracing out my dragon.
Well, I'm going to start by coloring, and then eventually we are going to put this together on a paper plate and have the wings and the feet and the tail, and it's going to be a full dragon. But first we have to get some color on it. So I'm going to use some crayons because they go a little faster than markers sometimes to get a big wide area colored. And I'm going to look for brown because I'm going to have, or maybe my dragon should be green. What do you think? Green? How about a little bit of both? Okay, so I'm going to do a brown and green dragon.
And I should just note, this is why I'm a librarian and I am not an artist, because look already, you can see my funny little dragon head. He looks more like a dinosaur head, but hey, you know, we're gonna make this dragon. And now I'm just cutting out my little drawing that I did. I'm not sure
It looks so good.
How good this one's going to be, but we're getting there. And what colors are you working on now?
I have just finished coloring. So I am going to put together my dragon. And I was trying to decide, do I want it on this side where it's a little puffed out, or if I want it to be a little concave. But I've decided that I am going to have a puffy body. So I'm going to put the head behind my paper plate. So I'm going to put some glue on. And I am going to pop this head behind the paper plate.
Awesome.
So that'll be the head connected to the body. That looks pretty good.
And what color did you color the body?
I didn't color the body. Oh no.
That's all right.
So I need to color this body, and I need to make a pretty cool looking dragon here. So I think I'm going to go with a little bit different color for the body than the head.
That's awesome.
Just to make him different.
Yes.
And special. So I love blue. So I'm going to do some blue and some more blue, 2 different colors of blue, and a little bit of purple. This will be a very special dragon. So I'm going to just go around. And you can make them whatever color you want.
Yes, you can.
There are no rules to the colors.
There are not. Because what my favorite is may not be your favorite. So.
Right, and I made the head and the tail green and brown, and I'm making the body blue. Doesn't have to match.
I'm cutting my wings out right now, and then I'm not going to color mine because it has taken me longer to, since I actually drew them out, and I'm cutting them now. So my part is just going to be getting them onto that paper plate, and we can color them later, or I can take it home to my daughter and let her color them. And she would definitely not pick pink. She would pick probably blue. That's her favorite color as well.
I'm going to go with green to tie it into the head and the tail, though. A little bit in the middle. There we go. Oh, and my head fell off. Get that back on. All right, now I have a colored body. Yay! Okay, so now I have to put on my, let's see, maybe a tail or the wings. I think I'll put on my tail first, so then I can judge where the wings need to be. I'm going to put the tail on, and it can go anywhere really, wherever you want to put it.
And I've got all of my pieces cut out, so I'm going ahead and I'm getting the head put on right now.
My dragon tail on. Push it on really good. Here we go. Here's my dragon with his tail. It's curling up around the front. It looks pretty good. Now I'm going to put on my wings. Let's see. Not quite sure how those wings go on there. That looks pretty good. Uh-oh. Tail fell off. You could always use tape too.
You can use tape, or if you have a stapler, you could always use that too.
Oh, that's a good idea. Stapler would be good.
And I only made one leg and foot just because I'm imagining that you're only going to see this from the side view, so his other foot or leg is behind him, which is going to make him look super funny, but that's okay.
The funnier the better.
That's right, that's right.
So I'm putting my 2 legs right now, and I'm going to try to put that tail back on.
He just looks super funny with just one leg.
This is a wing. I'm not quite sure where the wing goes, but I am just, it's like a claw almost on this one.
It does.
I don't know whether
So however you want to put it on there.
Let's hide that claw, because I don't know why that claw's there. And I keep on gluing the wrong side, but that's okay. To get it glued on the right side so it shows up, and now it's glued on the other side.
So if we had a little bit more time, I would definitely be making that other foot, because this looks pretty funny with just one leg. But hey, that's okay. All right, so there is Miss Lisa's
tape. You might want to go for the tape.
Tape. And here's mine. So I'll pretend like I'm covering up the other foot. So this is the one that I drew myself. I cut it out. If you can and you have access, you can print it out and you can cut it. Whatever you do to make your dragon yours. Thank you again for joining us, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.